Hi lovely people, welcome back. Drew Dip the Shine, hope you're well. Again, the sun is shining, mixed bag of weather recently. It's that warm, I might need to take my coat off. I only put it on a couple of hours ago because it was raining. That was proper black country on it, sorry about that. Anyway, in the yard, quickly got the car out. So we've been working on this BMW M135i, even though it's not really a straight six. I think they're keeping the 35i name. Had it in for about 3 or 4 days, just done Xpel paint protection film, front end, extended kit, rear bumper, A-pillar and roof, door cups. I think that's it. So we just pulled it out, the sun was shining, just wanted to get some heat in the panel just to check everything. So I thought I'd give you a quick walk around just to show you because it's a lovely colour. Anyway, here we go. So here it is. I think it's Monte Carlo blue, and I've been told it's the first one in Birmingham, all been delivered. I think it was Solihull BMW, and it's rather nice. So yeah, had a full wash decontamination. Oh, butterfly. And then we've applied PPF to the front, which is pretty tricky. The little inserts there, all the bumper inserts, all these need to give it a wash tomorrow. Still got a bit of residue. These, yeah, it's turned out pretty nice. It's pretty tricky to do. The fenders as well, they're done, and then all that's wrapped inside. So all these are pre-cut around the holes, all wrapped inside, which is nice. The wheels have got a coating on, so we've advised the customer just to leave them for the time being until it wears off, and then we'll apply something else. It kind of seems pointless taking that off, and there's something on there. Wrapped inside there, wrapped inside the door edge. These lovely bronzy mirrors are done. We tried them in satin, but they didn't look right, so we did them in gloss. Look a lot better. And then we've got the A-pillar kit, which comes up to there, and just the front of the roof, which we've wrapped over just there. And then obviously you can see, try and get pretty close if you can. Just the relief cuts which you need, obviously, with the film, so you can wrap the edges. But you can still see the fleck. It's proper nice. Lower sills are done. The colour coded piece is done as well, that's done, and then that wraps inside there. Lower the doors, done. There's a piece there. Rear bumper's done, there's a piece there. I'm going to try and nest that in a kit if I can, because you waste quite a lot of film. So if I can nest it in another part once I cut it, so we'll do that as well. But yeah, we just need to give it a wash tomorrow, ready for the customer. I just wanted to give you a quick walk around. Yeah, rear bumper's done as well, and all these colour coded pieces are done around the sensors. It's pretty tricky, there's quite a lot of stretch in it really, but I did pretty well. Yeah, it's nice. There you go folks, hope you like it. I actually really like this car. I think it's really urban. That's the new kind of word, isn't it? Crossover urban. But I think it just looks really cool. Is it something like 300 horsepower? Mini John Cooper Works engine. So I think it's pretty smoky. And there's quite a lot of room inside. It's got quite a shallow roof, but once you get inside, it's quite roomy. So I like it. Head-up display, LED lights, bigger screen infotainment system. Nice wheels, I think they're 20-inch wheels. Eagle F1 asymmetrics on as well, which is nice. So yeah, I like it. Anyway, there you go. Sun's going down slowly now, so we're just going to get some shadows. I hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Any comments, just let me know, and we'll try and do some more on my socials if I can. September's getting pretty busy with new car delivery, and this was the first 69 plate. It's got 30 miles on the clock. So yeah, there we go folks, hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care, bye.